Hello and welcome back to another edition of Postal Prospecting. Thank you for tuning in. And we got some more Paydirt to go through today. So let's bring it right up. I bought these not that long ago. And I was going to try, I think these are just, doesn't have it marked, but it's a sample bag. 1 out of 2 and 2 out of 2. So let's just start with the first one. So I got this off eBay, Dyzzy'z Paydirt. Both of them, I'll get the exact price. I'll put it somewhere right down here, right there. I'll see how much I paid for it, but I want to say for both bags it was like $10. So honestly, I'm not expecting a whole bunch of gold out of this. I think if you get 1/10 of a gram, that's on the high end. You'll be lucky out of both bags, just because of the cost of the bags. So let's take a look. Doesn't look like I'm going to have to really classify this down at all. And actually, this should be pretty easy to pan out. Well, let's take it over to the panning station and see what we can do with it. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we are. I know the water looks a little murky, but it's still from when I did the Halloween test bags. See, glows in the dark. I don't know. I like it when it glows in the dark, so I just left it. I'll clean it out here probably later today. So we got the pans. I'll just do a little bit at a time. And this one, probably just have to start with the small riffles. Well, already seeing a good amount of black sand, so that's always nice. So I'm not sure if this material is already, if it's concentrated already. I'm sure it is, because there's like no really big material in here. I think everything is -10 mesh. So if I get like 1 or 2 pieces of gold is really all I'm expecting in these bags. Nothing extraordinary, nothing too crazy, just a couple little bits of gold. Let's test it out real quick. So far I'm seeing a couple little flakes, so not bad. I did get this off eBay, so you know eBay got to make their fees too, so that's why I'm really not expecting too much gold out of it. But it's a bag of Paydirt I've never done before, and so far it's not bad. I've heard good things online, on YouTube, and all the comments, so I figure why not check it out. And if I like it, I'll go for a bigger bag. Thought I saw a big chunky piece of gold, but it wasn't. Oh, there is a big chunky piece of gold in here. Well, that's nice. See that piece right there? Alright, that one right there. That's actually a pretty nice piece. And so far it's turned out to be a really easy bag to pan. to the rest of it. This might be one of those little bags that you could buy a bunch of, and if you need a quick panning fix, you could go take it, pan it, see what you get out of it. Like I said, there's not too much material itself, and it's all really classified down, so all you gotta do is take it straight to the pan. Looks like it's a decent amount of black sands, nothing too crazy. So for a quick panning session, I think this is a pretty good bag. And maybe I'm just saying that because I just saw that one big chunky piece of gold itself, but it's still nice to see that chunky gold. I'm doing this all in real time, one take, just to see how much I could actually get, or how long it takes to get this all done. Yeah, I'm watching that gold right there to make sure it doesn't float off the edge too, but I'm trying to keep an eye on that piece right there too. If it gets too close to the edge, it's not good. I don't want to lose anything. Let's use the big side real quick. Really just try and get rid of that really light material, so I can just pan this the rest of it out. So a little bag, actually I was kind of wrong. There's a good amount of black sands in here. Put it in the bigger. Okay. All right. Water in here. Alright, let's take a look. I just realized I don't think I seasoned this pan, but I'll make do with a little more water. Definitely didn't season this pan. I grabbed the wrong one. Sorry guys. I'm gonna switch pans please. There we go. my old trusty pan. Yeah, that's much better. So actually, that's a really good amount of gold in here. You know, I'm gonna have to go out. I'm gonna probably buy a couple more bags just to have on hand. I'm gonna verify the price because this seems like it should be a lot more than what I think I paid for it. So I may be wrong on the price because that's a lot of gold in here for if it was what I'm thinking it was for. So I will make sure I verify that price. Yeah, so look at that. Let me go and finish this up, dry it out, and then I'll post the weight and we'll see what kind of return I got on this. Alright, sit tight. Alright, I am back. And so, I found out one of the other bags. I started doing another video about the second bag, and then my OBS shut down on me. So, I'm just going to do the aftermath of everything. But here's everything that I was saying. You saw me pan out the first bag of gold, and I got some interesting results. I know it's hard to see right here, but I'll explain all my whole process here. So I did end up panning out both bags, and here's what I got. The first bag, I got a bunch of gold. I actually got 0.23 grams of gold. Spot value or spot price at the time was $57.83. So, and I paid $4.25 for the bag. You could already tell that's already higher than what it should be. My total ROI for bag number one was 312.94%, which I thought was insane. I didn't read all the fine print before buying the Paydirt itself. Again, here's the label so you can see it. But this is a good bag. The bag number one, definitely a good bag. But when I read the information, he didn't have any sample bags for sale, which is fine. I'm still going to pick up some more of the Paydirt from Dyzzy'z. I had a blast with it. But what it was is his 1 gram bag is guaranteed at 65% ROI minimum. So, but it also says that it could contain 1 to 2 grams of gold. So it seems like he does the bonus bags. Not going to complain there. Which I believe in the sample, I definitely got a bonus bag because that's a high ROI. And then if we're looking at, let's see, the second bag I panned out, I received a total of 0.065 grams of gold, about $3.76 value. It came out to be 88.44% ROI. So still really good ROI for just being a small bag. At the end, we had our total both bags was 0.295 grams of gold. Value of the gold was $17.06. So if I take that, let me see here. So we're looking at about a total ROI between the two bags of 190%. That's a really good ROI. You know, I definitely paid for the 2 bags plus then some. So I really enjoyed myself. I thought it was even better just because I got extra gold. And just to show you all the gold that I received, again, just under 1/3 of a gram. Here it is. some pretty nice gold there. Very happy with it. Like I said, I'm gonna probably buy a couple bags before I even put this video out, just because I'm gonna buy the 2 big bags and 2 1-grammers at the same time. Let's see if I could recreate these same results, because that would just be awesome. Alright, thanks everybody for watching, and thank you Dyzzy'z for making an amazing bag. I appreciate it.